Hello everyone, welcome to a very special video about Injustice 2 Mobile. I'm here with Mick Cellas, one of the designers on the game, and we're here to talk to you, well mainly you Mick actually, are here to talk to you about a new feature for Injustice 2 Mobile. Mick, what's it called?
If you could guess from this, it is Champions Arena.
Right.
Some new competitive arena type gameplay we want to introduce to the cream of the crop of the players out there. You have to be at least account level 60, have at least 9 characters on your roster, which if you are account level 60 is pretty much a given.
Yeah, probably impossible not to.
Exactly. But just to engage those players with some even higher level play than they are previously used to.
So it's a hyper-competitive arena for
hyper-competitive people.
Great, sounds good. First off, we need to let you know that Champions Arena is a beta. So things will change throughout the first iteration of it, right?
Yes, we have a very, the complex system is in place of kind of where we envision it going, but this is very give and take with the community about where they kind of want to see the direction of this go as well.
So play, your input matters, that sort of thing.
Yeah, we have the very high level stuff in play there, but we're looking for a lot of community feedback to kind of tell us what is things to fine tune. I don't foresee any large scale changes,
sure,
but things to make the experience a little more enjoyable.
So after you've qualified, then you're going to be placed into a division, and this is important.
Yes, so divisions are what drives this whole system. So divisions, there's 7 of them, 7 being the lowest, 1 being the highest. When you enter Champions Arena, you are entered into a division, and within that division you have these 100-person leaderboards. So once you hit 100 people, you're capped to that leaderboard, and you're playing those 100 people for the duration of that Champions Arena season. So it makes it very intimate, playing other people on that leaderboard.
You get to know each other pretty well.
Exactly,
on there,
yeah. With regular arena, it's who's like around you on the leaderboard in terms of score, but you're never have the opportunity to directly play those people. So with Champions Arena, like I said, making it more intimate, you know exactly who's jockeying for position and who you want to have a grudge against or whatever.
Right.
So that's kind of the experience we're going for with that. And with these divisions, after the end of a Champions Arena season, based on your performance, you will either be promoted to the next division or demoted or stay in the same one based on where you ranked in your own leaderboard within that division. With the way that whether you are promoted, demoted, or stay the same, it's some math saying the top X percent or whatever, but that gets harder and harder the higher you go up in the division. So we kind of get this pyramid thing going on where you're slowly funneling the best of the best to the top.
Tell me what the difference is in these battles that involve multiple teams.
Right, so you're going against these players who potentially have 2 or 3 different teams that you have to fight through. And this is a new concept that we've kind of brought to the game. It's vaguely similar to what are in raids right now, where you have these multiple different team sets that you have to fight through. And what it is you take your one best offensive team that you think can get through those battles, but the caveat there is that your team has entirely persistent health, so if you don't do so well against the first team out of 3 that you have to play, then you have to really man up for the second and third fight if you're hoping to win the whole battle.
You're kind of on the back foot there if you lose somebody in the first. Does that mean?
Yeah, so any characters that die, say for instance in the first round, won't be carried over to the second or third round. So your health is persistent, all that stuff is persistent, so you have to know with a certain degree of confidence that you can take down these teams that are set up on the other team's defensive squads.
Is there anything else we need to know about your offensive team?
Yes, so obviously you can only use them a certain amount of times, once to be exact. Each character has 1 pip that you're allowed to use for an offensive battle. Once that pip is used, it is recharged every 12 hours right now. There are these new items, energy tanks, that we're introducing that will refresh those for you, but they're going to be extremely rare to find.
As we wrap up today, one of the most important things to our players is going to be, what do I get?
Yeah, rewards. I mean, I know the leaderboards are going to be very intimate, and sometimes just knowing you one-up somebody is going to be enough of a reward. I hope you're in my leaderboard.
That is not.
I hope you are in my leaderboard, because at least I know I'll be number 99.
You'll get bodied.
But another reward that we're introducing to really make this worthwhile for players to engage with are what we're calling Prismatic and Class Shards. Now these shards, obviously offered in limited quantities in the better divisions that you move up in, are used towards characters. In the case of class shards, they can be used towards whatever type of character, excluding legendary characters, of that particular class. So for instance, we may be giving out in a season tech class shard, so you can use that for any tech class character in your roster towards their shard count.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and with Prismatics, an even better version of the class shards that includes all classes, so you can use the Prismatic shards for any class you want, again, excluding legendary characters. So make sure you get to count level 60 ASAP.
Right. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our video today. This is Mick. I'm Tyler. We'll see you guys in Injustice 2 Mobile.